Hello. Happy 2020. Today it is actually the 3rd, and I filmed this video yesterday, but I didn't like my intro. So here I am. Yeah, I just want to say hello, and hope you had a good New Year's, and hope you had a good start of your year. I'm sort of sick, but also not really. Okay, my battery died. I have like no battery, and like I have 2 batteries and none of them are charged, so I'm gonna have to do this kind of quick. Yeah, this is a cleaning video, like as a start of the new year, cleaning, and my room is already cleaned since I filmed the video yesterday. I am gonna get started. Well, I'm lying. I'm gonna let you watch the video. Yeah, I don't know, I don't really have anything else to say. Enjoy the video. If you have any new videos you want to see for this year, let me know. If you have any 2020 resolutions, New Year's resolutions, let me know down below. I have some. I guess I could tell you some. I'm gonna fix my nose because I have a bump on my nose and I've always hated it. I'm not gonna do like a surgery. I'm just gonna like put fillers here. And nothing else. Like I don't want to change my face. Like I don't want to do that. I just want my nose to be straight. I have a before and after picture, or one that I photoshopped, and the other one that is my natural nose. This is my nose, as you can see here. I hate it. And this is how it's gonna look when I fill this gap in, as you can see. Start a company, take mental health seriously, challenge myself more fitness wise, do more social things, save. I don't like to talk about money, so I did say it on Instagram anyways. Whatever, I'm gonna save some money. I already said it on Instagram how much I'm gonna save, and I don't really like to talk about money usually, but whatever, I'm gonna save some money. I'm gonna buy a new computer, and a phone, probably another camera as well. And that is just some of my like goals. I don't like to call it New Year's resolutions, because when I think of New Year's resolutions, I think about like people telling you that they're gonna start working out and then they quit like 2 weeks later, you know. Like, come on. And goals are like something that you work towards. It's okay if you don't like succeed, like if you don't, you know, with your goals, as long as you work towards it. Anyways, my camera battery's blinking. Enjoy the video. I love you, bye. We back. So this is how messy Bunny's little area is. As you can see over here, there's a lot of small little poops, and she recently, or I just changed that yesterday. I think Bunny is in here. Yeah, she is right here. She usually never is like in here in the kitchen. She's always under the couch, like I would say 7 hours a day, 8 hours a day, she's under the couch, literally, or behind the couch. It's very rare that she's out here, so whenever she is out here for a longer period of time, I get kind of worried that she's sick or something. But it's just that she might be changing her mind sometimes. Okay, so I don't want to vacuum clean when she's out here, so I'll have to do that after, or I can just use the broom or whatever. Let's remove all these toys first. That was all the toys, I believe. Okay, so this is something I do all the time. Every single day, every minute of the day, I just pick up the poop and throw it in. It's for those of you who literally don't know anything about bunnies, by the way, you shouldn't get a bunny if you don't know anything. Bunnies poop are hard and not soggy and wet or anything at all. It's literally hard poop since they eat so much hay. So it's not like disgusting to pick up. See, already looks a little better.
life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up in boom boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.